When it comes to making women want you, there are many ways to make it happen. But there are a few recommended methods to be followed. There is a certain procedure that leads to success. Similarly, you can make a woman chase you just by following a particular procedure. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you 4 techniques in a procedural manner that can make women chase you. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button below. Go check out my website for today's article on how to make women want you more. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Flirt with her. Try to spend time with her when she's alone. If her other friends are with her, you can avoid her or just wave a hello and move on after a quick chat. The more you hang out with her as just a friend, the lesser the chances of you ever making her desire you. Spend time with her only when she's all by herself. That'll give you enough time to talk her and discreetly flirt with her. Flirt with her, make her feel warm and awkwardly nice while hanging out with you. And treat her just like you would treat your girlfriend, but don't ever call her your girlfriend though. Number 2, be her exciting secret. As we said earlier, spend a lot of time with her and flirt with her, but do that only when she's by herself. Create a secret relationship that no one knows about other than the both of you. By doing this, you'll make the relationship more exciting and thrilling. Become a part of her life. Text her often at night when you know she's alone. Talk about personal issues, and indulge in everything a couple would do. But keep the relationship a secret. Of course, that doesn't mean when things progress you have to hide it, but in these early stages, it's best to keep it between the two of you. Number 3, make her miss you. Now, this is tricky but also a lot of fun. Once both of you are closer and like spending time with each other, call her every night for a week or so. And then, don't call her one day. If she meets you or texts you the next day asking why you didn't call, she obviously missed you and wanted to speak with you. Flirt with her and charmingly ask her if she missed you because you didn't call. Use different ways to make her miss your company and constantly create scenarios where you force her to realize that she actually likes you and misses you when you aren't around. Number 4, confession time. Confessions are the best way to open a girl up. Of course, she won't start confessing about her sexual escapades to you just yet. You need to warm her up to it. During one of your late night calls, tell her that you bumped into one of your exes who was a horny wildcat. The girl you like will obviously be curious and would want to know more about your ex. Use this excuse to go into the details of your sex life. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.